Yeah, hi Manohar. Very good evening to you. As you know, my name is
Yeah.
Nitin, and we are here for have a quick feedback call to check how was your overall experience with PyNet Labs in terms of training, in terms of content, in terms of the trainer's delivery of the content. So it would be really great if you can share a few points.
Okay. So, first of all, I really want to thank AB because he's the one who provide training to us, right? And AB is a very good trainer. Gave us a sufficient time during the training session to complete our labs, right? And also even after the session time, your tech team help us to resolve some issues that comes while creating a script and in EVNG. Also, they help us in our laptop issues regarding the labs. And also through Telegram, he helped us a lot.
Okay. So, how was your experience in terms of lab? Like, as for Python, Ansible, and DevNet Associate, he helped you guys in setting up the lab. So, after completion of your training, are you working on that lab?
Yes, the lab setup was too simple. So AB guided us how to set up like my Visual Studio and Python installation, EVNG, and some router iOS files on EVNG. So yeah, that was really good. And still, I am using that lab.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, Manohar, one last thing I just wanted to check, like the content which we have shared to you guys are enough, or we should add some extra content? Because as in starting, we have mentioned we are following the official course outline of DevNet Associate. So,
Right.
according to you, is that sufficient which we have delivered?
Yes, almost all topics that AB shared with us before starting the training session was already completed by him. But I would request you to add some more topic like Docker, in terms of we can say DevOps that can be used for automation. So
Yeah, so that comes under the advanced this automation. I think CCNP DevNet. Yeah.
okay, I'm not sure about that. What are covered in
So
CCNP. So
here we have covered only the basics to intermediate level only. But yeah, I
uh,
will definitely ask the trainer or AB to have or to check this point as well on behalf of your feedback. Okay. Also, like, is there anything you wanted to mention up to other network engineers who are looking for this training?
yeah, I already asked my many friends who are in network field. So yeah, they might gonna start a training session with PyNet Lab.
Okay, that's good. So thanks a lot, Manohar, for your time and your kind words. Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome.